is another big win. You're just minutes from I-15 freeway, Southern Highlands Parkway, St. Rose Parkway. So getting to the Strip, the airport, shopping, dining, it's all super convenient. But again, you come home and it's quiet. It's peaceful. And within Southern Highlands, you've got parks, community pool, walking areas. It's a true neighborhood feel. So here's the bottom line. This home is for someone who wants space, but also wants it to feel intentional. Someone who loves to entertain, but also values privacy and comfort. Someone who appreciates upgrades that actually matter. Because this isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. It's that balance of comfort, convenience, and a little bit of everyday luxury. And I'll be honest with you, homes in the Cove with this level of upgrades, this kind of backyard, and this much functionality, they don't come up very often. So if this feels like your kind of home, let's go take a look in person. Just call me now, schedule it, 702-334-7767, Ramon Wu, 702-334-7767, and I will see you soon.